tutorial. I will show you how to create a bootable USB for Debian 9.9. First, I will show you how to download the Debian 9.9. Okay, open this link, you will find it on the description of the video. And then choose the image, click on AMD 64 and it starts to download. So I will cancel because I had already downloaded. And then I will work with the Rufus to create a bootable USB, but before let's format the USB. So open your USB, flash and format. I will give a new name, Debian, and okay, and it start to format. And then let's download the Rufus. And Rufus is ready now. Let's open. And here is the flash, and here give the image ISO. So Debian 9.9 and launch to start, and yes. Okay. And now it starts to create a bootable USB for Debian 9.9, so please wait. And now the flash is ready, so let's check. And this is Debian. So now you can start to install Debian 9. You have the USB is ready. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.